Hi guys, and welcome to another video. So recently I found out that we have another thing here on the iDrive. We have a secret menu. So yeah, the whole YouTube is populated with those clips, but I didn't get them before I tried it myself. This is my take on those clips. If you have the iDrive CIC version on the e90 models, you can find it I think on some older F10 models. How to access the secret menu. I have prepared here my phone. Let's here with a stopwatch, a timer. And now this is a pretty simple thing to do, and I hope you can follow my steps, and it is very simple to activate. So I'm gonna start my timer, and from then I'm gonna press my knob here in the front like this, forward from the back, and hold it over 10 seconds. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna start my timer, and I've started from this 2 seconds. Okay, we'll hold it till 12. It's enough. And now 1, 2, 3 on the right, 1, 2, 3 on the left, 1 on the right, 1 on the left, and again 1 turn on the right. And after that you press it OK down. And you know that it's OK because when you press the last thing down, the last button down, you won't enter in any of the other, let me stop this, any other menus. Let's do this again. I'm gonna explain them a little bit slowly so you can remember this and do it not with me at the same time but on your own. So you have to keep this press in front for 10 seconds, and then 3 turns to the right, 3 turns back again to the left, 1 to the right, 1 to the left, 1 to the right again, and after that hit enter. So after you've done that, you go here in settings, and down here you will have the service menu. This is a circuit menu that I know you don't have it. So you go into service menu, and here we have 3 tabs. We have navigation, phone, and race note. In navigation we have all the tests here that we can do to see if our navigation system is working, and we have a lot of new sensors here to find. So we have wheel sensors, okay, we have gyro inclination, heading, gyro types, acceleration, drift. You have all those sensor information if you ever need them. So after that you have the version of the map. If you want to update your maps, you'll have here the version, and you can search the net for the new version for your iDrive. I think I have the latest one, so this is for 2016 I think, and after that BMW didn't release any other version. And voice output, you can test all your speakers if they are okay. So I'm gonna hit OK on this.
Navigation is not active. Navigation is not active.
And click it again to stop. Click once to start, once to stop. Going back, phone and BMW services. So here you can find out pretty easily what's your car name on the Bluetooth Discovery channel. So yeah, I've talked that in my latest video. Signal strength, if your phone is connected, mine is not now. You can find all of these details in here. Okay, and the grace note. The grace note, you can have here your last CIC version installed on your hard drive, and you can see that mine was installed in February of 2009. If you have an USB stick with your new update file, you can install it from here, but I don't recommend this. You have to do this only at a dealer shop because it's pretty complicated. So yeah, now you know this is the simple method to go on your iDrive secret menu. I hope you can do it on your own, and have your settings and service menu down here. Thanks for sticking by. Thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and see you in the next one.